guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an Adobe dynamic PDF stamp in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file. So from here, click on the search bar and type in stamp. Now from here, just click on the stamp tool. Now here, click on custom stamps, then click on create. And from here, just click on the Browse button, then open up your stamp file. Then once done, hover and click OK. Add in a category for this custom stamp. So of course, we're going to pick dynamic and add in a name for your stamp. Finalize everything by pressing OK. You can always access that newly created dynamic stamp by clicking on Stamps palette, click on your stamp, and add it up wherever you want it on your file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!